Okay, this is a short video just to document the routing of some of the hoses and wires in the engine bay before I pull the engine and subframe out of the Ferrari F355. So I've actually masked off the body panels at the bumper because I'm going to be pulling the rear bumper off shortly. I'm a huge fan of blue painter's tape. I clean the body first before applying the tape. It's a smart thing to do. It really helps saving any accidental chips or whatnot. But I'm going to be taking a bunch of photos of the engine bay as well, but what I wanted to do is just go around and take some video of how things are situated in the engine bay, because once you start pulling things apart, the wires and the routing of the hoses, that's all going to get kind of lost, especially since I'm planning on doing a full teardown on this motor. So I thought by taking a video of it would be handy. I've already got my Y pipe and intake filter boxes removed here, but there's not much in the way of routing there, so it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm also going to raise this up on the lift and try to catch some of the routing as well. I've got the inner wheelhouses and shields removed, which is pretty handy too, because you can see a lot of different stuff with those components removed. Okay. Got the spark plug boots off right now. Spark plugs are in, but just screwed in loosely just to keep any debris from going into the cylinder head. As you can see, this is a very dirty engine. This car was sitting for about 6 years and just not a well-kept car. I'm hoping to turn that all around. I'll be painting the oil tank as well. You can see it's peeling and chipped up. Positive battery connection here. These intakes on the 95 are pretty interesting. The intake comes from the C-pillar through here and connects to the air box here, but it's got this other piece of tube that I looked on the other side. It goes nowhere. It's just a dead end piece. So I thought that was a little bit bizarre. Okay, I'll raise this up on the lift. Okay, so emergency brake cable. I've already got the pans off from underneath. I've drained the oil. So again, what I'm just trying to do is get a picture of everything here in the video, and I will be taking photos as well, but it's cool to have the video, so when you pull things apart and you want to remember how things were going. Maybe some things won't be captured on every picture. I'm pretty sure this routing, this cable around this hose isn't proper, so I'll correct that. That should do it.